Next is Kalina. She is tearing it up on the soccer field and in the classroom as a double major in African American Studies and Politics and Government with a political theory concentration. 50% of Puget Sound students participate in NCAA, club, or intramural sports, and Kalina is going to tell us what putting on the Logger uniform is all about. Kalina, passing it to you.
Thanks for that introduction, Alex. It was a goal of mine to play soccer at the collegiate level close to home. After my visit, I immediately loved the campus and felt confident this program was right for me. And knowing that Puget Sound is a top performer with many conference titles and national tournament appearances was definitely a game changer. Part of competing at the collegiate level is staying in shape year-round. And this is just one of Puget Sound's top-tier athletics facilities. We recently renovated the fitness center, aquatic center, and more, so I have everything I need to remain fit for competition. And of course, these facilities aren't just for athletes, but for all members of our campus. Being an athlete has also meant learning how to lead off the field. Some of my peers and I co-founded the Association of Student Athletes of Color, an organization aimed at supporting and retaining student athletes of color at Puget Sound. It's been a space for us to share our experiences, learn about the history of athletes of color as activists, and we've even been a part of diversity and inclusion initiatives with both the NCAA and our athletics community. We envision our club growing as more student athletes of color come to Puget Sound and join a space made for them by students like them. Puget Sound is the largest program in the Northwest Conference with 23 teams, and 20% of students here are varsity athletes. But athletics extends beyond NCAA sports. We have clubs from rugby to pickleball, and any student can organize an intramural team. With other facilities like a climbing wall and a tennis pavilion, there's truly a place for anyone to stay active while attending Puget Sound. Through athletics, I've discovered I want my future to be centered around social justice, and it has given me the opportunity to grow as a player, person, and leader on the women's soccer team and in my community. Well, that's my story. Kicking it back to you, Alex.
Nice, Kalina. Kalina, thank you. That was fantastic. Hearing about how athletics has shaped you as a player and a professional striving for social justice is remarkable. Thank you so much for sharing that, and go Loggers.